Alright students, so let's start doing this question number 6. 1, 2, 3 I have already done with you. Now question number 6. Question number 5 and 6 are similar, where we have to find the here we have to find the duplicate values, and here we have to find the common elements between string values. That means we have to take array of string and find the common elements, and this is array of integers. So I will do rather program number 6 with you. So let's start doing it. Alright, so this is question number 6. Okay, let me just copy the program. So this is question number 6. I will remove all this. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write a Java program to find the common elements between two arrays, string arrays. So let me first of all import the scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Alright, now here let me create the object of the scanner class. Scanner key is equals to new scanner system.in. Alright, now I have to declare two arrays, and both the arrays should be of string type. So what will I do? String array1 is equals to new string. Let me declare their size. You can take the size from the user also for both the arrays. You can try by yourself by taking the size of the array from the user. Alright, so again I make it to be of the same size. Let's check it. Alright, now I have to input the values for the first array. System.out.println. Enter the values for first array. Alright, so for loop, for int I is equals to 0, I is less than array1 dot length I plus plus. Alright, so what is the name of the array? Array1 I is equals to key dot next. Same thing I will do for the second array also. I will now take the input for second array. Enter the values for second array. Alright, again for loop, I can use variable int I is less than array2 dot length I plus plus. Alright, array 2I is equals to key dot next. So it has been done. Let's try this one. First of all, whether I am able to take the elements for first and second array or not. Now I have to find the common elements between them. Alright, so let's find the common elements between them. First of all, Oracle, Java, PHP, these are the elements of the first array. Computer, electronics, electrical. So I can input the values for both the arrays. Now I have to find the common elements for both the arrays. So finding common elements in both arrays. So what will I do? I will start. I have to compare each and every element of both the arrays. So that means I will compare Oracle with first element with the first element, second element with the second element, third element with the third element, right? So let's find the common elements between both the arrays. Alright, for int I is equals to 0, I is less than array 1 dot length I plus plus, and then I have to start another for loop because I want to compare each element of I want to compare elements of both the arrays. So for int j is equals to 0, j is less than array 2 dot length j plus plus. Right? Alright, so what will I compare? I will compare if array at I position is equal to dot equals array 2, array 1 at I position equals to array 2 at j position. Then what will I do? We will write system.out.println common elements, common elements are plus array 1 I am going to display the elements also, and for array 2 also, and plus array 2 j. So at the same position, so it will print it. Right? Let's try this one. Alright, here I don't have this one. Okay. Yeah, from here I have Alright. Where is another error? Okay, so I have to put it inside the square bracket. Here one more round bracket over here. Alright, so let me give the values. Oracle, PHP, alright, and computer. Okay, Oracle, PHP, Java. So the common elements, they are Oracle and PHP. So it displays common elements are Oracle and PHP in both the arrays. Alright, now moving on to the next. The last question, question number 8, I will do with you. The question number 8 says that write a Java program to add two integers or integer array of the same size. Now the integer arrays can be added only if the arrays they are of the same size. So let's start with this program. Last question, question 8. Rest all the questions which I haven't done it, you have to do by yourself. Okay, so the question is the arrays should be of the same size. Now in this case I will take the size of both the arrays from the user. I can put it inside the program also, but better I take the size from the user. Okay, import java.util.scanner. So I will make the object of the scanner class here. Scanner kb is equals to new scanner system.in. Right, okay, so I will take the elements of the just declare two arrays. I will take system.out.println enter the size of first array. Right, first of all we need to enter the size of first array. So int size is equals to kb dot next int. Same thing I will do for the system.out.println enter the size for second array. Alright, so int size 1 is equals to kb dot next int. Alright, so we have taken the, now we need to take the elements into the array, right, into the array. Now system.out.println println enter the elements of first array. All right. So we will start inputting the elements. For int I is equals to 0, I is less than, I have not yet declared the array. Alright, so now I have to declare the array first of all. Int arr so I will declare the size of the first array. Int arr1 is equals to new int, I will pass over here size. Right? Okay. Fine. Now here second array, int array2 is equals to new int, and I will pass over here size 1. All right. Right. Now I will start taking the elements for array 1. So I is equals to 0, I is less than array1 dot length I plus plus. Okay, so start taking the input elements. Array1 at I position is equals to kb dot next int. Similarly, I will enter the elements for the second array also. So enter the elements of second array. So here it will be array2 dot length and array2. Right? All right. Now let's just check whether we can input the elements into the array or not. So size is 3, size is 4. Let me just try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So perfect, right? Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the sum. So for sum I need to declare an array, because again, all right, int. All right, now for the sum I will assume it to be size of the first array, right? So int sum because again I am calculating the sum of the corresponding elements, because if I have a first array, the first element of the first array will be added to the first element of the second array. Second element of the first array will be added to the second element of the second array. So for example, something like this. Let me just explain you how the elements of array will be added over here. Okay, let me just explain to you over here how the elements will be added. So for example, if I have an array 1 like this, the size is 3. Alright, it has 3 elements. The first element is 1, second element is 2, third element is 3, and I have another array 2, and this is something like first element is 1, second element is 2, third element is 3, third element is 3. So the sum of these array will be, what will be the sum of these arrays? When I add, this one will be added to this one. So first element will be added to the first element, second element will be added to the second element, third element will be added to the third element. This is how we will add the arrays. So it will be 2, 4 and 6. So in this case, the size of both the arrays should be same. If the arrays they have a different size, we cannot calculate the sum. Alright, so this is the bottom line over here. Alright, now let's switch to the program over here. So let me just declare an array called sum, and the size of the sum is the array is, let me just take it to be the size of the first array. Alright, so now we have to calculate the sum. Alright, now let's calculate the let's just calculate the sum of the arrays. System.out.println sum of two arrays is. Now for calculating the sum, I first of all have to check that the size of both the arrays are same. Alright, so sum of two arrays. So I will start a for loop, 2 times the for loop. I will start the for loop. I will start the for loop over here. Alright, so this first of all, I will first of all check the condition. If the condition is okay, then first of all I have to check the condition. If array 1 dot length is not equal to array 2 dot length, if their size is not equal, what will I display? I display system.out.println. Alright, I will not display system.out.println. Sorry, the arrays cannot be added because their sizes are different. So I cannot add the array. Alright, else I will add the arrays. Else, so I will put this line over here. I will now calculate the sum of the arrays, right? So what will I do? I will start the for loop for int I is equals to 0, I is less than sum dot length I plus plus, right, and then sum. Alright, if their sizes are different, okay, then I will calculate the sum I is equals to, what is the sum? Array 1I plus array 2I, right? So I will calculate the sum and store it over here. Next I have to display the sum. So system.out.println sum I will display the corresponding sum. Alright, so let's check this program now. Alright, let's run it, provide the input values. Okay, let me just try with the different numbers with the different sizes. It will take the elements 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, the arrays cannot be added, right? Okay, now I try with the same sizes. Okay, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it should be 2, 4, 6. So the sum of two arrays is 2, 4, 6. So this is how the two arrays can be added. Thank you so much.